My name is Cynthia from Lizhou Oriental Machinery Corporation Limited. As a manufacturer, today I'm so excited to share with you one popular useful CNC 5X stone bridge saw to you. This is an intelligent and human multifunction cutting machine. It is associated to be designed and manufactured between OMC and Research Institute of Famous College. It can cut straight lines, different shapes, drill, slot, and profile. It can process all kinds of countertops, cutter bases, background walls, non-slip floor mats, etc.
Support multi-language selection. Click on Task option. For drawing, you can click on Import CAD option. Predefined shapes to quickly create common shapes. Photographing system can truly restore the pattern and position of the plate surface. Wireless hand pulse and operation panel control buttons make your operation more convenient. Flip plate knob controls the tilt of the work table. Emergency button. 11 kW spindle motor. Variable frequency speed regulation 1000 to 6000 revolutions per minute. High quality Taiwan high-wing square reels to ensure high precision and good stability. Use the laser to ensure cutting precision. The head cover and foot pedal are made of corrosion-resistant FRP material. With steel legs, it's convenient to move and install the machine. With safety door protection operation, when the safety door is not closed, the machine will not run to ensure the safety of the personnel. If you are interested in this machine, contact us, please. Thank you for your time.